Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Want to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video. And guess what? We'll talk. Well, hey family, happy Friday. This is Darlene stopping by real quick. Earlier, I was sitting here making earrings and I wasn't going to turn the camera on because I'm just sitting here making earrings and listening to an audiobook. And I was like, this really ain't nothing I need to be recording or want anybody to see. It's just earrings that I've made before, but now I'm using some different beads. But I figure anyway, I'll go ahead and turn it on. And here it is. It's been a very busy week for me. I'm sure it's been that for everybody else, especially if you work a regular daytime job. I know it's like probably crazy busy and some time to even get to your work table or even hang out in your work studio. Trust me, I understand how that goes, but gotta find the time. Gotta find the time. But anyway, I'm looking forward to the weekend. Tomorrow, Saturday, I go into the dentist's office at 9:30 so I can get a tooth extracted. My lord, not a tooth extracted. Yep, a tooth extracted. So they'll be doing that in the far back of my mouth on the right side. So and I guess it gets to that point. And then was it last Saturday? I think it was last Saturday or the Saturday before that I went in to get new glasses. So they did the doctor's office did contact me on Wednesday and say, hey, your glasses are in. And I'm like, okay, well, I'll make it in there. I haven't made it in it yet, so I'll do it maybe on Monday if God says the same. So I got some new reading glasses because I need some, and you guys may hear me say that not often, but enough in the videos. Like I need new glasses, so I did need some new glasses. Went in and got those and stuff. And when I say they be hitting us up for the coin, they be hitting us up for the coin. They do not be playing. I'm just like, Lord have mercy, but I gotta be able to, read and stuff. But anyway, go ahead and enjoy some music, and guess what? We'll talk.
Painted gold but feeling hollow. The night swallows what we borrow. A velvet sky that hides my sorrow. Ooh, ooh. I chase the stars, they run away. Each one whispers, not today. Velvet sky, why you lie so sweet? Hold me close, then retreat. Velvet sky, don't say goodbye. Wrap me up, let me fly. Footsteps fade into the silence. Hearts beat loud but crave defiance. A fragile truth dressed in defiance. I reach for dreams, they slip like sand. Building castles I can't stand. Velvet sky, why you lie so sweet? Hold me close, then retreat. Velvet sky, don't say goodbye. Wrap me up, let me fly. shines bright. Ooh, yeah. Through the cracks in my soul. I've been searching, oh Lord, for a place to feel whole. And I hear it calling, a rhythm divine inside. where the seeds keep growing. The moon's in the sky, but my soul's still rowing. Rowing, yeah. Feet on the ground, head in the clouds, head in the clouds. Sing it loud, oh, sing it proud. I'm reaching for say it with me. Higher ground. The sun wakes slow, kissing my face. Every shadow fades in its warm embrace. We climbing this mountain, love sets the pace. Don't stop now, don't stop now. With the wind, break every chain, feel the rhythm, shake off the pain. Oh, shake off the pain. Higher ground, lift me up. Don't pull me down, don't pull me down. I'm reaching for higher ground, lift me up, don't pull me down, don't pull me down, pull me down. Oh, higher now. Ooh, yeah. Say it with me. Your midnight eyes, the world disappears where your shadow lies. Every breath you take, a melody in disguise. You move like silk, like a secret breeze. I'm lost, I'm bound, you're the lock and key. Under your spell, can't break free. You got me, baby, baby. Down on my knees, under your spell. You're all I see. Under your spell, you're all I see. This magic, baby, you and me, you and you. Your touch is a spark, sets my heart aflame. Each whisper you give makes me call your name.